Alright, so today I am going to teach you guys how I do the Igari makeup look, or Igari makeup inspired look. It's really just a look with lots of blush and it makes you look hungover. So what you're going to need to do this look is just blush of your choice, any kind. There's this NYX blush that's pink, and then there's a Sephora one that's peach. So you're just going to need any kind of blush and a brush. This is optional, but this is what I do to make it more intense. I also use a liquid lipstick and a blending sponge. Alright, and this primer is YOUNGBLOOD Mineral Primer. I was probably not going to focus, I'll focus it later. You're just going to take this, and I just focus my makeup right here on my cheeks and nose, just the bridge. Alright, and once your primer's on, you're going to put on some concealer. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade. Honestly, I don't see the point in telling you shades because sometimes videos look different than how my skin and other people's skin looks in real life, so unless you really knew me, you wouldn't really know how my skin tone is. But just for shits and giggles, I am a medium olive, and I'm just gonna place it right here under the eye, and then on the bridge of the nose, and then I'm gonna take my blending sponge and blend it out. Alright, and once you feel the concealer is on and blended, I'm hella blind without my glasses, so I can't tell if that blended or not. I think the nose could use more. Alright, once your concealer is on, I take my liquid lipstick. This is ANASTASIA Beverly Hills in the shade Carina. And this is a liquid lipstick, so you do have to work a little fast. Also, you don't need that much, just a little. Oh, that was a lot. See, you don't need that. You need that. You're gonna see why, because this, look at that, is a lot, but I will tell you how to fix that. All you're gonna need to do when blending the liquid lip is to focus it just on the apples of the cheek. See how you smile? This would be, I'm assuming this is the apple. It's right here. And that's how you know where the blush should focus on. Now this is borderline clown. Just from how intense the liquid lip is. So what I do to combat that, I have concealer on this part right there. I swipe it, not pat it, because patting it would blend it in. I'm not trying to blend it, I'm trying to remove and also cover. I will go around where the focal point of the blush was, wipe it away, see? And there's still more product on here, so if I feel like it's not as intense anymore, I'm just gonna go back and lay the, here. There we go, and lay the product back on. And you can go back and forth to your liking of how you want, or how intense or not intense you want the blush to be. You're just gonna learn from trial and error how you like it. I've worn this makeup look out to work and I look like a clown, so be careful when doing this look. And then see, I'm just going back and forth from the concealer side to remove product and blend it out, and product side to intensify it. And once that is done, I think that's fine. And now you're gonna take your blush, and I use a peach blush. Sorry, my braces. I use a peach blush because it doesn't intensify this because this was a hot pink. And this is more closer to my skin tone, even though my skin tone isn't peach. But it's close to my skin tone, so it would blend all of it together. At least that's what I feel like it does. And I just take it, you know, and put it all over the apples of the cheek. And it should set the blush and blend it well to the skin. That's pretty much the whole look. I do one more extra step. I like to take some glitter. This is glitter from Wet n Wild. It's just a single glitter. And I like to take this, put it on a brush. This is an angled, I don't know what kind of brush it is. It's angled eyeliner brush. I like to focus it in the middle of the eye, right here. You could put it in the waterline, that's where it would be perfect, but oh god, I do not like putting stuff on my waterline, so I put it right below where the eyelashes are. And I take some more, and then I put it in the tear duct, right there. Alright, and that is pretty much the whole look. I think we're done. Let me see. Oh, fuck, where did I get glitter there? Alright, yeah, that's the finished look. I just started playing with makeup, or at least started playing with natural makeup. Like, especially for men, because this is a look that can be for men or for women or anyone in between. But I like blending it with my masculine features, you know, jawline, mustache, thick brows. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I will have more videos out as the week goes by. I post every, I think I said Wednesday? Every Wednesday, and I'm hoping to keep on that schedule. So, until next time, peace.